Skip the traditional witch hazel discs for your postpartum recovery. Meet the Ona Renewals Cooling Perineal Pad Liners. Full coverage, extra long liners infused with real witch hazel for soothing relief. Each pack has 30 liners, and unlike those traditional discs, these cover from front to back in a single sheet, so you get real, full comfort. Just place the liner on top of your postpartum pad, and you're ready to go. For extra chill, pop them in your fridge before use. These pads are formulated without harsh dyes, fragrances, or peppermint. Just gentle ingredients to help support you on your postpartum journey. You can use these cooling pad liners alone or pair them with the Ona Renewals antimicrobial perineal spray made with hypochlorous. Ona Renewals, where renewal gets real.